Hi, I'm Shreyas. I am from Karnataka, Kolar. Now I am studying in Fergana Institute of Public Health in Uzbekistan, and I am studying first year, first sem in Fergana Institute of Public Health.
So, Shreyas, how did your parents feel about your decision to study in Uzbekistan?
Initially, my parents were also worried. After that, the GooCampus came into this thing, and it has made me somewhat free. There is nothing to worry about the admission process and all, because these people will take care of it.
What was the moment you knew you made the right choice?
After getting that admission letter from the Fergana Institute of Public Health, I felt happy, and that moment I felt very good.
What would be your advice to future MBBS aspirants considering studying abroad?
Just don't depend upon the NEET score and the other engineering or any other degrees. Just focus on, you people are ready to be doctors only, no? Just focus on that and don't depend on these NEET scores. Explore the world, and there is also eco-friendly and student-friendly campus we are having, so come there.
Would you recommend GooCampus to other students, and why?
Yes, I do recommend GooCampus because these people are student friendly, and no worries are taken by your side because these people can handle anything, anywhere, anytime. Thank you.